By the way, I rolled with Arna today.
Yeah.
Crazy movement, a lot of pressure, and amazing explosivity.
Yeah.
She said, "No, sir, I'm Mota." I like Mota people don't be this explosive, and the kind of way you are moving, you're not even thinking. She hit one combo on me from close guard to triangle to omoplata,
Yeah.
and this happened within a second, maybe less than a second. I asked her, ये कॉम्बो तो हमने 4-5 साल पहले किया था कोविड टाइम में. यस सर, एकदम से हो गया बस.
I have a video of you teaching her the same combo and going from a ambar to a triangle and then going to omoplata and you on a repetitive mode telling Arna to go on doing it and she is doing that. So it's good she remembers because her muscle memory has become like that doing jiu-jitsu for such a long period. At first we never, you remember we used to always discuss for kids, you used to never name moves, you know, you just tell them to flow. Just tell them go from here to here, do a Superman or do something which they relate to, you know, name of the move. But now when we are teaching Arna omoplatas and we are teaching Arna armbar, those little details we don't have to explain much to her because it's already there in her muscle memory. So even with less time on the mat, she's able to grab more per class. But obviously, I personally feel she needs to train more.
Not less hours. 9 years.
Yeah, regularly,
9
yes,
years.
9 years.
From 3 to 12.
Yes.
9 years. And yesterday you were calculating hours, पता नहीं कितने घंटों में था. So I gave you an idea. 144 into 9.
Yeah.
एक साल माइनस कर लो, 144 into 8. वो वैसा ही नंबर आएगा. और वैसा ही आया. So I could relate कि 2-3 घंटे तो हमने करा हफ्ते में स्कूल के साथ.
So that's equivalent to getting a adult brown to almost a 3-stripe, 4-stripe brown belt.
Yeah.
The number of hours you actually require as per the curriculum.
Right.
Plus we have done almost all kind of guards with her. We have done. She has not taken up a few of them. She doesn't like them. That is okay. That is everybody.
Her favorite is double ankle sweep.
That
and
she
she
does
also
on the button,
did on that teenager boy. She signed up for a tournament Gurgaon में.
Yes.
पता नहीं कोई सदर्न साइड से एक बच्चा था. बच्चा भी क्या 13-14 years का तो था. And by that time Arna was 9, I think 9 or 10.
She just turned 10 at that time.
उसी टाइम पे.
Yes.
And then she went in there. मैच शुरू हुआ. Arna ने I think guard pull किया, double ankle sweep, mount और वहाँ से submit. और no, the guy tapped because of pressure. He couldn't handle. He couldn't escape.
No, it went on. Arna did not put a submission. She let the time through. We asked her, Arna, why didn't you submit it? You had so many chances. She said, no, if I would have submitted him, he would have become very dejected, maybe left jiu-jitsu because I think he's still learning. So that was her answer, which was a great answer to give. But the highlight of Arna's jiu-jitsu has been the match she had as a yellow belt with the green belt girl who had come, who was the daughter of the, and she was almost the age of a blue belt.
क्या था? I think 2022.
Yes.
That one tournament जो Delhi Stadium में हुआ था, I'm forgetting the name. तो वहाँ पे we signed up Arna, entire school signed up, we all signed up.
Yeah.
But match नहीं मिला. So then we requested Professor Edison and one more, I'm forgetting the name. And then somehow उनकी दोनों daughter वहाँ पे थी.
Yes.
So जो elder daughter थी,
Yes.
उससे request करा to let Arna have a match at least.
So I still
ऐसे medal
remember
नहीं चाहिए
one
हमें.
of the organizers who was a black belt himself from Japan. He
Multiple
told
degrees.
me will she be able to handle it because they are really high level jiu-jitsu.
Yeah.
I said, what will happen, sir? She'll just submit. She knows how to do a tap. Let her participate. Let her have a match with the green belt, and all that will happen is just give her more insight as to how to go about things.
It was a very tough fight. It went on points. There was no submission. It went on points, I think.
Yes.
और पूरा match खत्म हुआ.
Arna lost the match. Arna escaped the mount twice with a knee elbow escape in that match, which were on the button and they were beautiful, technical. Even the green belt girl was surprised as to what she was doing.
Came out
and then she swept her for 2 points and passed guard. So she also earned some point. It was just not a one-sided
She
match.
tried shooting for triangles, multiple things from guard, but Arna didn't let anything happen.
Yes.
I remember
But
that
there was a complete size difference, power difference. There were a lot of
experience difference. And then if you're a daughter of a 4th or 5th degree black belt,
Arna was by the way, Arna was only 8.5 or 9 years old at that time, which was the highlight.
And she
because
signed
the girl
up.
was
And then she showed up.
Yes.
Papa,
she
I'll
did.
do it.
She did.
Yeah.
There was always a problem finding her opponents of her age group with the same belt, because I think Arna started pretty young. At that time, Jiu-Jitsu was not big. Now we are having regular.
See, even now, we have in-house
yellows,
tournaments.
Yes.
The fact being कि kids, Jiu-Jitsu kids are very less in India. और जो भी हैं वो अभी initially start कर रहे हैं, which is very good that it has started somehow. So just to keep kids motivated or interested, we organize in-house tournaments. King of the Tatami,
Yes.
as you're very well aware, Arna has competed.